Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this honor. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add at the bottom. Now you can finally tap on one of your contacts that you wish to add. In order to notify this contact that it's your emergency one, hit OK in the pop-up. If you don't want to do it, select Cancel. You can do exactly the same to 2 more numbers that you need. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!